Hey, what's going on? Michelangelo here. Just wanted to come and get in touch base with you, let you know about this new product that we've introduced to the market. It's called the V.A.W. What the V.A.W. stands for is the Vehicle Attached Wallet. So when you get a chance, go to vehicleattachedwallet.com and check out our website. It's made to go in your car just for you. It's the only attachable and detachable wallet of its type, made for vehicles. Holds your V.A.W permit, ID, insurance card, and much, much more. But before we get into all the fine details, just want to give you a little story about how this actually came about. While we were laying in bed one night, a story came on the news about a man who had got pulled over by the police. When the officer approached his vehicle, he asked the man for his driver's license and insurance card. He told the officer that he had his V.A.W permit and he was armed. And the officer said, okay, not a problem, just don't reach for it. So, while reaching into his back pocket to get his information, apparently the officer thought he was reaching for his weapon. So he pulled his weapon and he shot the man 7 times and he killed him. Now, I told my wife if he had just kept his hands in plain view, he would probably still be alive today. I said to my wife, we're going to invent something where citizens can feel safe and provide this important information to law enforcement while in their vehicles. So we started working on something where you can keep your hands on the steering wheel at 10 and 2 in plain view and still have access to your driver's license, V.A.W permit, ID, and insurance cards. Instead of reaching in your back pocket or your purse, which is our natural instinct. We would like to help and become a valuable part of a solution. That's what inspired us to make the V.A.W, Vehicle Attached Wallet. I'm Michelangelo, the V.A.W Company LLC, because safety matters. And don't forget, go to our website, vehicleattachedwallet.com. It might just save your life. Talk with you soon.